Come on.
He's a good boy. Good job. Good boy. Good boy. Watson was a stray for the first 2 years of his life. He was found on the side of the road injured, and the assumption was that he was hit by a car. He is a full limb amputee, so they did take out the shoulder blade and everything. He's able to run, walk, even dig holes without the prosthetic. Here's the prosthetic. It has a camera on it because he's my tripod. We decided to get the prosthetic just because it'll help him out in the long run. As he gets older, he's more susceptible to arthritis and joint issues, just because of all of the effort that goes into keeping him up with just one leg. So it just really helps him out in the long run. And you know, he's come a long way from a street dog to a tripod to just a happy boy who loves naps.
Come here. Come on. Come here.
Go boy. He's a good boy. Good job. Good boy. Good boy, yes. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, yes. Good boy. Good boy. Oh my goodness, buddy.
Come here. Come on. Come here.